Hi, so what's up guys? So this is Cameron. Today I'd like to show you about how to implement the OpenAI Vision API integration with Android. Basically, I'm gonna use a JetpackCompose and with the Kotlin and with the retrofit HTTP request libraries. So let's begin. So here I'm showing the demos. So when I hit the capture image, so this is basically my you know my screen right here with my laptop, and the capture image show me the some preview, and then now it's loading, basically sending the request to OpenAI GPT4 Vision API. It's gonna take like 10 seconds for the response, but once the response is returned, it's gonna show you the description. So like this, the description, the image shown open text editor or integrated the IDE on a computer, especially a section of code written in Kotlin. Oh wow, the programming language, so it can just recognize what language even. The code appears to include class and function definition, implementing various functions such as handling requests and logging. To the left side of text editor is a vertical bar with a line, blah blah blah. Overall, the setup is a typical for software development environment where the developer is writing or reviewing the Kotlin code. This is very impressive. So this is the demos. So let's implement this. So by the way, so this is the OpenAI. So please go to the OpenAI API, sign up, sign in, and then just go to the Vision API. So this is something I'm using here. So this is basically the Python tutorial script. So the uploading the base 64 encoded image with some prompt. So prompt I hard coded here. Just please describe blah blah blah. Prompt. Yeah, this one is a prompt. Please describe what is in this image. So this is my prompt, but you can basically customize this prompt whatever you want. Also, you can make it interactive with the user if you want. So by the way, the entire source code is right here. So you can, I just put the link in the comment in the section below. So please go to take a look, and you can just copy and paste and use it if you want, or you can just customize based on whatever, right? So I'm going to the code base to describe very briefly. So here, Android manifest, I have few the permissions that you uses feature, basically the camera, and write external storage, read external storage to temporarily put the PNG file when the user captures the image, and internet for the HTTP access to the post request, right? And the top level Gradle file, I didn't change anything, and up level, I didn't change much, but what I only changed is basically added the camera dependencies, Android X camera, and the retrofit dependencies for HTTP requests and the coroutines, and that's it. That's it for the dependencies. Don't forget to hit the sync button, So entire code is written in the main activity. Entire code is including everything, less than 300 lines of code. So here, OK HTTP3 interceptor for putting the bearer token, basically the token, basically the API key to the header of your request. And there is a bunch of things and activities, cameras, compose, because all the UI is written in with the compose, JetpackCompose, so I don't need res layout.xml, but of course you can use that as well. But in this tutorial, I'm just using the JetpackCompose, like I said. So here is the main activity with the output directory, camera executor, and API key. So here, please put your API key for the OpenAI. And on create, just loading the my app. This is the composable, and this is the directory to temporarily store the PNG. So this composable main app, my app, is doing a bunch of stuff. Is do need to do the permission for camera, Also need to capture the image URI when user capture the image, and description state and its loading state, and also coroutine scope to call the API. So this is the request permission launcher, and if the launch effect means if this activity is launched, this will be run first, request permission. And then this is the column, this is the UI, which is basically the vertical stack. So Android view for preview view for the camera view, and also the button for capture image function, and also the spacer and the image. If image URI exists, show the image to capture the image, and the spacer, and if text exists, the description will be shown. Basically, this is a response from the OpenAI GPT4o. So capture image, basically the capturing the image with the back camera, and like this. And if the take picture, so this is some callback, and if it's not error, if image saved on image capture, and the description, so this one is called this one. So if as a callback on image capture, this is a callback function after the button, after the capture image is succeeded. So this one inside the coroutine scope launched, get description from image. So this is the main function to call the API. So there is a bunch of HTTP client builder with some configurations, and the retrofit builder to set the base URL. Basically, this base URL is this one, and with the chat completion. Okay, so I need to send the data with the base 64 encoded. So this is basically the encoded place here, and put some prompt. Please describe what is in this image, like this, and a model as a GPT4o, and yeah, that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so this is very brief things, and for the interceptor, I need to set the authorization bearer header, open API key, and to the header. Now, yeah, this one, the GPT service, this one is used, the retrofit.create. So the base URL plus this GPT service, the V1 chat completions. This is the post request needed as instructed by the OpenAI with a body, right? It's a content type application JSON, of course. And so to do this, I needed to make some data class, GPT request message as a role and a content, and the image URL, basically the URL string in the base 64, and get GPT response to be the choice. Basically, the response is like response is not written in here. You need to send a request and then see what's going on. But choice and the message content is like this. So this is basically what will be shown in the application. So this is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Like this, it's not that hard. I mean, just calling the API like this, and then but I'm using JetpackCompose for the camera permission and camera viewer and stuff. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. In this channel, I'm making this kind of prototyping with the Android and iOS sometimes, and sometimes web applications as well. So the good I'm trying to make this prototyping as simple as possible so that you can understand in a very short time, and also you can just integrate this to your own application very quickly. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, please leave the comment in the section in below. Thank you for watching. Happy prototyping. See you in the next prototyping. Bye bye.